in the toucan family. So look at the size of their beaks. Now despite the size, their beaks are very lightweight and hollow, and they can even catch insects in mid-flight. Now to demonstrate just that, Woody will be throwing 2 pieces of fruit high up in the air. Let us see if the toucans can catch them, okay? Alright, Woody, are you ready? Okay, there you go. Alright, 1, 2, 3. Whoa! That was a great catch. One more time, let's come together, everyone. 1, 2, 3. And another great catch. Well, let's all go toucans. Just look at how he swallows the grain. Now, by the way, these 2 birds, they are Mr. and Mrs. Horn. They are a husband and wife team, okay? Now these 2 birds, they've done a wonderful job, and it's time for them to head back home. Now they are very loyal to one another, so I'm going to place them on the stump right here. Alright, there you go, guys. Okay, now Mrs. Horn, you lead the way. Yes, all the way back home, please. Right there, come on. Mr. Horn, you follow. Our top 2 toucans, everyone. Now what differentiates parrots from other animals is their ability to copy sounds, and they use this as a form of social communication in the wild. Now the yellow-named Amazon is famous for its ability to mimic human sounds, and we have one such bird today. So everyone, get your video cameras ready, okay? Alright, now let's start with something simple first. How about a nice hello? Hello! There you go, very nice and sweet hello. Can you tell everyone here your name? Amigo! Amigo is his name. Okay, now Amigo, how would you like to greet all these nice people? How are you? How are you? So how are you feeling this afternoon? Good? Excellent. Now Amigo is also a very smart bird. He can count from 1 to 10 first in English. 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. A perfect 10! Good job, Amigo! Now this time he's going to count for us in Chinese. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. To sing, and he can sing 3 different songs in 3 different languages. First song is a local Mandarin song entitled Current Line, which means a guest comes to visit. Now Amigo, can you sing for them in Mandarin? 1, 2. Hang on, that's counting. It says in Mandarin, okay? One more time. Can you sing in Mandarin? He's a little bit distracted by something right up there. I don't see anything up there. Okay, Amigo, you gotta concentrate, okay? I'm going to try to sing it with him. Okay, let's sing. It's like this. Caroline, Han Papa, Papa 不在家. That was me, okay? Let's try this with Amigo. Are you ready, Amigo? Can you sing in Mandarin? Okay, no. Okay, we are going to try this one last time. If he doesn't want to do it, I'm going to continue with the next song, okay? Okay, Amigo, are you ready? One more time. Caroline, Caroline, Papa, from Indonesia. It's entitled Rasa Sayang, which means feelings of love. Okay, this time, Amigo, can you sing Rasa Sayang? Rasa Sayang, Rasa Sayang, in English, but before before he sings, is there anyone celebrating a birthday today? Let's start from the first section. Raise your hands if it's a birthday. Birthday? Where? Nobody? Okay, the young man right there. We have one. Anybody else? Two. Anyone else? We have 1, 2, 3. Anyone else? Okay, yeah. 2. How about the last section? Birthday? 3. Right up there. 4. All right, so for the 4 of you, 5. I hope I did not miss out on anyone. Amigo, you know what to do.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you, and well done, amigo. Now it's time for amigo to go, but before that, can all of you wave and say bye-bye, amigo? Amigo, your turn.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Well done, amigo. Our yellow named Amazon. Now parrots like amigo, they are very hard to upkeep as they require a lot of time and commitment. Now they can also be very noisy and they can even outlive us. So do bear that in mind. Now the next 2 birds coming up, they're going to show all of you just how loving hornbills can be. And Vicky, our great white hornbill, will be joining us. There she is. Now great white hornbills, they are one of the largest found in this region. Now when the female wants to nest, she will look for cavities in trees. And then right up there is our nest box, which is similar to what we give the hornbills right here in the bird park. Now I will be coming very close to you, so please do not reach out and try to touch the bird, okay? Alright, so during this act, I need everyone to remain seated. Sit down, please. Thank you very much. So what Vicky will be doing is she will be inspecting the nest box. Alright, Vicky, are you ready? Can you go check the nest box out, please? Okay. Off she goes. Vicky, your nest box is to your right. Can you hop there? Yes, hop to your right, please. Come on. There you go. So what she's going to do right now is she will inspect the nest box. And only if she likes it, then she will go inside. Alright, look at that, slowly inspecting the interior first before she makes her decision. Look at that. Now once inside, the female will seal herself in using regurgitated food soil and even her own droppings. The hole will only be big enough for her beak to stick out. Okay, Vicky, you can seal the nest now. Look at that. Vicky, where are you? There she is. Now everyone right up there, let's welcome Alfred, another great-pied hornbill. Now this is what happens in the wild. The male will feed the female and this will go on for about 3 to 4 months until the eggs are hatched. Then mother and child will leave the nest. Now the Jurong Bird Park is successful in breeding the oriental pied hornbills using nest boxes like that one right there. And thanks to your contribution to our conservation fund, we have successfully released them back into the wild as well as right here in the bird park. So do keep your eyes wide open for them while walking around the park, okay? Alright, Alfred, it's time for you to head back home. Now, if you'd like to see more species of hornbills, you can actually head on down to the toucan and hornbill exhibit. What happened there? It's okay, Sad,